I see you. I see you. Really think this feel. I see you. I see you. No, I'm really just too this feel.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a moving video that is a part of this moving series that I'm doing here on my channel. So this is another episode. This is week 2 of being quarantined and stuck in the house. It's crazy because in the midst of me moving and getting settled into my new place, this coronavirus appeared and got like really serious really quickly. And now has caused me to be stuck in the house. So I'm getting like a lot of things sent to the house that I would normally go look for outside of this, like in the stores and stuff like that, to kind of get my space together and organize and decorate. So the series is continuing. Still got a lot of packages being delivered and all that stuff like that, but just quarantined in the house. Hope everyone is being safe out there and being responsible. As I look outside my window, New Yorkers, we don't listen. We don't listen. I was one of those hard-headed ones that was not listening, and I was out and about, but these folk still walking like it's a bright Sunday morning and there's not a virus that's trying to wipe us out, but that's here nor there. So today is Friday. It has been a busy work day, but I did get a package. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Go ahead and put the bell on so you know when I post more videos that's a part of this series and future series and stuff like that. So today's Friday. I've been working from home and I got a package in the middle of me on a conference call. So I was like, damn, I can't even go get it right now. So it's downstairs. Hopefully the package is like not huge and in the way and I can't even say it and obnoxious. And I can easily like pull it up. I know what it is. It's my chair because I desperately really needed like a seating area here in my room. My room is big enough to have all that, so I was like, I need a seat or something, because like working in my bed and I'm like working in my windowsill right now, this ain't it. So I do have a video on my main channel that you guys can go check out, which goes behind like a behind the scenes of what my inspiration was for my space, and I talk to you guys a little bit about my home decor journey. And this will be like the first video of me getting packages and putting things together and stuff like that, because I have packages coming for like the next couple of days. I think I have one more from Wayfair coming today, because the one that just got delivered was from Wayfair. I have an Amazon package coming and I have an IKEA package coming. So I have 3 more packages coming, and I also need to place an order with Target. Since I can't go to the good Target, I gotta place an order of some stuff. Like, I just want like new pillows and little things for around the house, you know. Gotta wiggle the mouse around, y'all. Okay, so let me go downstairs. Where is the keys? I haven't even left, so I don't know where none of my stuff is. Okay, so I got the box in my room. It's crazy because it's like already like in a chair format, but I bought it to go into this space to pretty much like cover up the radiator and just be a cute element in this area. I have a whole vibe that's gonna go right here. So I'm gonna move these boxes out the way. Over the next couple of days, I'll be able to eventually empty these boxes and organize them. This is actually trash, so once I'm done with this box, I'm gonna go ahead and start running my trash out and start getting my room together. But let's unbox and see if this is easy to put together. I hope so. Okay, so this is the chair. I wanted to really go with like an accent chair, something that was like bulky, cute, but comfortable. So I got this velvet green chair from Wayfair, and I'm just like inspecting and make sure, you know, it all comes in one piece. I just have to put the legs on it, but I wanted to like, you know, look at it. So once I raise it up, it will completely cover that, which was the goal. So I'm guessing the legs are under it. Yeah, this will make sense. This is my first time ordering from Wayfair. So far so good. Okay, so the chair seems really easy to put together. I know my IKEA pieces, which come on Tuesday, are gonna be the ones that's gonna give me the most, you know, just ugh. Okay, so I got the legs on the chair. Hopefully I got them on there correctly. Only thing about this is one of them was, I think it might have been, let me see. This one of them was like really beat up out the packaging. Oh, it's this one. As you can see, like in the inside a little bit, it was a little beat up. And then this one, the screw will just not go in here. I'm actually seeing it from a different angle, so maybe I can get in to go in from this angle, but I could not get this last screw in there. And then I'm like trying to screw it so it doesn't beat up the chairs. So let's see. So the chair is up and in its space. I couldn't get that last screw in, so I just said forget it. But it fits perfectly. I can even, if I want to like push it back just a little bit more, I could. This is going to be covered up by something. So let me, this is my first time sitting in it. Oh, it's actually really comfortable. Oh yeah. So chair is complete. So I'm about to run these boxes down to the trash can and make some quick lunch. But I do have more packages coming today, so I will check in with you guys a little bit later when I get the second half of my Wayfair package, and I think a piece of my Amazon package is supposed to get here today. Okay, so more packages have arrived. I'm watching the Madam C.J. Walker limited series on Netflix. It's good, but I bought 2 side tables, and they just pulled up these boxes, rose slender boxes, not even too heavy. So hopefully it doesn't take much for me to put this together. Okay, so I have the table all completed and put up. It didn't take that long for me to put it together. I literally just had to screw the individual legs on, then the 2 pieces, and that was that. So I have it here. Once I get like some wall art, a plant over here, it will be more of like a vibe, and I feel like the vision that I'm going for will be fulfilled. And then I have another one. I got 2. And this one, until I put some stuff over there, until this space is like kind of filled up, it's just right here. I really liked this table. I'm supposed to be getting 1 more package today, and then the rest of the stuff I'm getting between Sunday and Tuesday. So hopefully that package comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, it does. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this part of the video up, and I'll go ahead and check in with you guys hopefully today to get the rest of the packages, if not, and then a few days when everything else is delivered. Packages, we got packages, we got packages. Shout out to Amazon. Shout out to Amazon. Hey, 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 hey. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. I'm so happy I got packages. Y'all don't understand. The internet has been my best friend throughout this entire thing. I've been ordering hella shit, getting my room together, so being productive, Peggy, up in this bitch. Okay, so we're opening packages. Let's see. I feel like I gotta have mayonnaise. Okay, I had to fix the cam. This would be the first thing at the top of the mouth. So I ordered a waist belt because if I'm gonna be stuck in the house, I'm gonna be working on my body. And I need to, I'm about to put this on right now. I hope I can fit it. Let's see. Wow. This is not what I thought it was gonna be. So I bought these, right? Thinking they could be coasters. And they can sit on the table. They're beautiful. Let me show you. I'm just gonna lay them out. This is what they look like. Cause I was just like, oh, it goes with the room decor. I can make them like little, you know, coasters. I'm trying to see. I've even put, this is what it's giving.